I'm Tracy Goldstein-Marquez, a physical therapist with Lake Center for Rehab. We'd like to demonstrate some exercises for your shoulder region that you can do at home. I'd like to introduce my colleague, Rob Harrison, also a physical therapist, who will be demonstrating these exercises along with the resident of the Villages, who has agreed to help us with this demonstration.
Hi, I'm Rob Harrison, and I'd like to show you some exercises for the shoulder. I'm here with Peter. He'll be performing the exercises as I discuss the steps. If you have any pain during performance, stop and call your doctor for further testing or for a potential physical therapy evaluation. You may feel fatigue, and that's okay. These exercises are designed to improve your flexibility, your motion, and your strength of the shoulder. And our first exercise is called a pendulum exercise. Peter, go ahead and lean over on the table. At home, you'll use a countertop, the arm of a chair, or the table surface, and protect your back by leaning forward, supporting yourself with the opposite arm. You're going to extend the arm and let it dangle as comfortably as you can. The first motion is a forward back motion, much like a bowling motion. Just let the arm swing kind of relaxed for 15 repetitions. Is there any pain?
No pain.
Okay. After 15 repetitions, you'll stand. Reposition yourself. Once again, leaning forward to support your body weight. Let the arm dangle again. And now work across your body, much like an elephant trunk. To assist in the motion, you can also start to shift your weight through your hips. After 15 repetitions, we'll go into the final position. Go ahead and stand back up, Peter. Once again, repositioning your feet, one foot slightly behind the other. Lean back on the table. Dangle the arm. And now you'll be doing big circles like you're stirring a pot. You'll do 15 one way, and then you'll stop and reverse the motion for another 15 repetitions. And you'll perform this 3 times per day.